Jiangsha Machinery is a company specializing in the production of wood chipper. The 1263 model wood chip is a high-quality machine with high performance and high productivity. The machine is equipped with hydraulic forced feeding system and automatically monitor the workload of crushing mechanisms, adopt hydraulic forced feeding to adjust the feeding speed to meet the crushing of materials with different diameters. When the load exceeds the alarm value, automatically reduce the feeding speed or stop feeding to avoid the stuck. Every machine will be strictly monitored and screened by professionals to ensure that every product ordered by customers arrives at customers in a complete and punctual manner.